Captain na pala.
Yes po. So,
Boss
Captain
Captain.
Alden.
Captain Alden.
Captain
Boss-
Alden at your service.
May gusto ko pa bang i-achieve? Like, ano ba? Gusto mo ba matapos yung education mo? Or
Definitely po, yes. I think, kung yung nanay ko po kasi nga, ang gusto talaga sa akin ay mag-artista at mag-showbiz. Yung pagtatapos naman po ng school, ay pangarap ng tatay ko for me. So, I think dun sa part na pag-fulfill sa pangarap ng nanay ko, eh medyo accomplished na po tayo kahit papano. So, dun sa part naman ng pag-fulfill ng pangarap ng dad ko para sa akin, gusto ko yun. And right now, siguro pwede ko nang i-share na meron pong since I've been very vocal about being a pilot. So there's been an aviation school in Clark that offered a scholarship for me to be a pilot.
Captain na pala.
Yes po. So
Boss
Captain
Captain.
Captain Alden.
Captain
Boss-
Alden at your service.
Boss
So,
na, Captain.
oh, yun. So, sobrang excited din ako. Saka ko na lang po i-discuss kung sino yung nag-offer ng scholarship once it's final already. But I'm very excited with that. It has been my dad's dream also. Personal dream niya actually to be a pilot.
Oh.
So sabi ko, sige dad, kaya since medyo 59 ka na, 58 ka na, ako na lang. So yun, I'm very excited for that. So hopefully, kung kaya, this year, matapos ko yung course, then lipad-lipad na tayo.
Wala nang fear of flying.
Wala dito, wala po. Nag-skydive nga po ako sa Dubai. So, as in, mahilig po ako sa matataas na lugar. It gives you a bird's eye view of everything. Parang ano yan, figuratively speaking, it gives you, ini-eject ka niya sa mundo pag nasa taas ka. So, yeah, I love to fly. Let's go!